Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Templespa Repose Aromatherapy Resting Cream. Soul Therapy. Alright, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of this one just to see what it's like. Aromatherapy, yeah. Alright, so this is what, I'm a man, I've been given this because it was on offer, buy one get one free. It helps me sleep, good for my cream, good for men as well. So inside you've got, it says, your body is a living temple. Alright, love that. First thing, inspection, it's got quite a nice weight to it. It is a glass container. Love that. I love the fact that I love the colour of it as well, the dark. And upon opening up, it's got that nice little cover on there. Keeps it. The actual cream itself, I've used this before, the smell is absolutely amazing. It really is such a beautiful product. It is total luxury, Templespa, there's no question about it. If you want to pamper yourself, definitely go for this. And this is a genuine item, this isn't a copy or anything like that. Yeah, love the box. So I thought I'll show you that. Smells good, absolutely can't. The sensation on the skin from the cream is really nice, but it's not overly greasy. It absorbs well, it helps you sleep. Brilliant for just everyday lines, creases, dryness. So yeah, Templespa, I was given this as a nice treat. Even though man, still use it if it's going. Being 52, you could use a bit of moisturiser on the old lines, but yeah, brilliant product. Thanks for watching guys, this has been an unboxing by Tony. If you do like these type of videos, please subscribe. I've always got plenty of I was going to say content, but please leave your comments and I'll catch you later.